Today we're going to talk about the 1855 Black Angus upper 2/3 top butt heart. Pack size is 10 7-pound pieces on average. This item is designed to make it easier for the operator to cut their own sirloins. You can see on the bottom side the mouse muscle has been removed, and when flipped back over, the culotte muscle has also been taken off. Once you find the sciatic nerve, you'll see which direction the grain will be running. Simply split it down the middle and square up the ends. Some operators trim a little of the fat off, but it's not necessary. And now it's ready to cut sirloin steaks to the size you prefer. Most customers are buying sirloins pre-cut due to the labor involved. But now that the mouse muscle and the culotte has been removed, a lot of that labor in the kitchen has been taken away. This is also a great option for roasting. Season heavily, roast off, and place on a carving station. Due to being able to cut different sizes or roasting off, it will cover all menu day parts. Always remember, make it your own. Enjoy.